Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's get your chest supersized with these strapped flies on the path of least resistance. Drop a couple heavy-duty nylon dog leashes flat over a horizontal bar and a chain-link fence, then clip them to the wires beneath. Facing away from the fence, put your fingers through the leash handle so they rest in your palms between your thumb and index finger. Make a big circle with your arms like you're hugging an oak tree while keeping your shoulders down. Planking your body, lean forward to create tension on the straps, then carefully arc your arms open to your sides, moving only at the shoulder joint with your palms facing together, always maintaining your plank at the 135-degree angle at your elbows. When you feel a stretch in your chest, drive your elbows back together, remembering to keep your shoulders down. Once that's easy, you can increase the resistance on strapped flies by gradually walking your feet back to the fence. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. Flex those pecs till they're pressurized with these strapped flies on the path of least resistance.